Liam.
Hi guys, welcome to Provato Hotel. We're gonna stay here for 3 days and 2 nights for my mommy and daddy's 11th wedding anniversary. Now I'm gonna give you a tour.
Hey.
So this is the sink.
A nice sink.
Yeah.
And
This is gonna be the bathroom.
And
Shower.
okay. Next.
This is the cabinet and that's the bed. 2 beds. Dami.
Okay, there's Daddy. Happy anniversary.
Anniversary.
Thank you. Here is our food. Our food, no?
Wow, ang dami pagkain.
Okay.
And that's our TV.
Yeah. Nice. Nice and comfy, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah. Ito siya. It's very big. Ayan. Yeah, just right for 4 people. Ang ganda. Nice.
Our cute bread.
Yeah, and some food.
Bye
Bye!
guys.
Enjoy!
Bye!
Bye!
Hello, Liam! So, we're prepping for our photo ops. Yan, kailangan namin laging may photo ops. Right, Liam? Yeah? Ready? Yeah. To remember, right?
What happened to the water? Ano ang kinain nyo for lunch o dinner? What happened to the water?
What happened to the water? Wait lang. Oh! Chatting with someone. So, meron dito nagpa-practice maghugas ng... What are you, washing, Liam? Ha? Ano yan, Liam? Nag-acting-acting si Daddy. Bakit? Nag-acting-acting kami? Ikaw nga tumabi ka kay Ate Peach. Natakot ka? Natakot daw si Liam tumabi kay Ate Peach. Sabi ko, what we love here is the ceiling. Sobrang taas. Sobrang taas ng ceiling. Thank you for the coffee. We're watching Family Feud. Sobrang taas ng ceiling. So, Liam, nabobore ka? What did you decide to do? Ha? Anong na-decide mo gawin? Read the Holy Bible. But you're not gonna understand. Wala po kasing gusto makipaglaro sa kanya. Kasi gusto niya yung logo eh. Throw ng throw. Oh, tinuro mo.
Kailangan malakas.
Oh, nice. Yes. Practice makes.
Again. Whoa, very good.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Night, guys. Ay, tulog na si Ate Peach. Liam. Ay, tulog na si Ate Peach.
Dali mo ba spray na?
Spray humor.